There's the fire lookout I'm hiking to. There it goes. That was just damn magical. Walking down the mountain in the dark, all by myself. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Camping with Gus the Bus. I'm headed up to one of the many alpine lakes here in Washington. I hit dirt road and it said 16 miles to the lake. I can only go 10 miles an hour on this road because they got so many lips and this road is just really bad and everything in the back of the bus is just falling all over the place. Let's do the math. 16 miles, 10 miles. It's gonna take a long time, who knows. Check out this view so far though. Not a bad view. And here's the trusty Gus the Bus. Onward. Now that is one large pile of rocks. Hey, come a little bit closer, you're my kind of man. So big and so strong. Come a little bit closer, I'm all alone. I just realized I lost a mirror. There should be a circular mirror where that hole is right there. Oh well. I know, Mom. I shouldn't drink them. Okay. That was a grueling hour and 45 to drive that 16 miles. That road sucked. I'll show you the lake. It's really pretty. I'm not going to go down there right now because what I'm going to do is I'm going to hike up to one of the last functioning fire lookouts. I could be wrong on that. I don't know if it's still functioning, but I know that there is a fire lookout out there and it's going to have some pretty good views of this mountain and the sunset. But I have an hour and a half until sunset, so I have to hurry up, pack up, and get hiking. Extra precaution, because it would really suck if somebody broke in and stole my stuff. Alrighty, let's get a freaking move on. It's not too long of a hike. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to make it up there in under an hour and a half. But there's actually a second lake up top. Can't remember what that one's called. That is one beautiful lake. I can't wait to check it out tomorrow. Oh, look. Oh, hold on. There we go. Mount Rainier's. Mount Rainier's little head poking out. Forgot to put my dang boots on. I'm pretty bummed about that. Oh well. Oh, another thing. Probably already noticed, but since the last video, I cut all of my hair off. And it feels amazing. Oh, Eunice. Eunice Lake is the one that's up top. It's a really small lake. More like a big pond. But it's crystal clear. And it's beautiful. Hey guys, you know the stereotypical Washington hiker? That's me. Hi, how's it going? Hey, hi. Halfway there, you got it. Okay, I'm done. Oh god, I'm wearing myself out. Well, there's Eunice Lake, but it's too chilly to take a dip. Oh well. And there's the fire lookout I'm hiking to. I'm getting nervous that I won't be able to. I think the sun already set up there, but it's about a mile up. We'll see when I get up there. It's insane that I live as close as I do to it. I never take it for granted. I can confirm I did not miss the sunset. Dude, this is absolutely insane. No words other than insane. Haven't even made it to the lookout tower yet. Can't really see, but that body of water out there is the Puget Sound. And then those mountains all the way out there, they are the Olympic Mountains. What a freaking spot this is, man. Holy moly. Alright, onward to the fire lookout. Harry, I've reached the top. Check out this freaking sunset. This couldn't be a more perfect day for weather-wise. Not a single cloud in the sky. There it goes. That was just damn magical. This is the word that comes to mind. Seeing a sunset like that. Now it's time for the hike back. These are definitely some of the more interesting clouds I've seen. They almost don't look real. Walking down the mountain in the dark, all by myself. What could possibly go wrong? No, but actually there's like 5 or 6 people behind me. Quite a ways back, but at least I'm not completely alone. Hey, drive safe tonight, man. I made it back. Me and another guy teamed up to protect each other from potential boogeyman attacks. He was from Moldova, which is interesting. I've never met another person from Moldova before. I'd like to visit his country sometime. That was a pretty tough hike, not gonna lie. Not gonna have much issues sleeping tonight, that's for sure. I'm debating if I want to make food or not. I am hungry, but I'm more tired than hungry. Yeah. I'll throw something together real quick. a smaller one. Is this enough seasoning for you, Randy? Jeez Louise. And I don't have a lighter. The old striker trick. Okay. Always remember to have proper ventilation. Now that is a dinner for kings right there. Not bad for whipping it up in 10 minutes. Bedtime. Morning. I slept like a rock. Would have been pretty bummed if that guy hit my phone. Let me go check out that lake. Another beautiful day. Check out how clear this lake is. Oh, it's really not that cold either. Woo! It's cold. Very, very freaking cold. Time to go home. Thanks for watching and take care of yourselves.